Hi guys, Coinbase jumped 15% yesterday on the news that the SEC is going to review a spot Bitcoin ETF. In this video, I'm going to attempt to explain faster and simpler than anyone on YouTube what a spot Bitcoin ETF is, as well as why it made Coinbase's share price surge, even though it could actually be bad for Coinbase long term. Right, no more delays, let's get into it. What the F is a spot Bitcoin ETF? ETF means exchange traded fund, which is a stupid name for something really simple. Let's say you want to buy a particular asset, let's say gold, and a gold bar costs around £10,000, but you only have £100 to invest. While someone could chip off a tiny bit of that gold bar for you, this would be expensive and impractical. It sure would be a lot simpler if the bank that you're already using bought and held the gold for you, then created a fund and sold you a share of that fund worth its weight in gold, then collected a tiny fee that would be far smaller than having a metalsmith chip off a tiny bit for you. Put simply, that is all ETFs do. Some ETFs have gold, some ETFs have housing, but no ETFs in America have Bitcoin. I don't get too into it in this video, but the SEC has improved a Bitcoin futures ETF. A futures ETF is kind of when you're betting on the future prices of the asset rather than buying the asset itself. It's not really important for this video. All you need to know is that a Bitcoin futures ETF kind of operates more or less the same as a regular ETF. The point is, for Puritans, an ETF that simply buys and holds the asset would be much preferred. And that essentially is what a spot Bitcoin ETF is. It is just a fund that simply enables you to buy a portion of Bitcoin at the market price, or you can think of it as the price on the spot. So let's go over the benefits once more. A Bitcoin ETF would enable you to buy a portion of Bitcoin with basically no crypto trading fees, and you also wouldn't need a crypto wallet or even a Coinbase account. So if this ruling is passed, it would make Bitcoin way more accessible and, practically speaking, available on every trading platform instantly. An important thing to note is that the SEC has also not explained why it has banned a spot Bitcoin ETF, while it is allowing a futures Bitcoin ETF, even though practically speaking they work very similarly. The biggest unnamed reason is perhaps that the SEC is a government organization, an organization designed to control the financial markets, and Bitcoin and crypto pose a threat to fiat currency, namely the US dollar. The US dollar, being a world reserve currency, technically gives the US government control over the international financial markets. So the US government will obviously do anything possible to prevent competition to the US dollar. However, this might be a short-sighted approach for the US. As Bitcoin grows internationally, banning products like a spot Bitcoin ETF may effectively weaken the US if other countries like the UK begin offering them first. Regardless, the SEC is now under a lot of pressure to produce a reason as to why they banned a spot Bitcoin ETF and allowed a futures ETF. As we've gone over though, if this goes through, you'll no longer need a wallet on Coinbase to buy crypto. So why has this caused Coinbase share price to go up? Well, if you go onto Coinbase's balance sheet, you'll see that they actually have $230 million of Bitcoin. When the price of Bitcoin goes up, they make more money in fees, and also they see a surge in their change in working capital in their balance sheet. When the value of crypto assets surged in 2020, Coinbase saw its change in working capital go up 2.6 billion in a year. Not bad for a company worth 17 billion. So basically, anything that serves to make Bitcoin or crypto more accessible will cause Bitcoin and crypto to go up in price. This will in turn benefit Coinbase. And that is, put simply, how the news Coinbase will have more competition has helped its share price surge. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave that in the comment section or join my Discord, link in the description. Goodbye, I'm going to finish this cup of tea.